and becomes the fool's day. Karma vidhan, all the plan of karma that keeps the soul in bondage, that is highlighted in the intellect of people. When they think they are wise, they are calculating the karmas. But that type of wisdom is fooled. Then it's really celebrate April's Fool's Day by chanting Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnavadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. The intellect is constantly pouring problems and problems. But how fool it? The revelation. All is full. So don't fool me. So full that you take away as much as you want. I still full. Let the birds take as much water they can from the ocean. The ocean is still full. So, create a fooling project in your personality. To listen to all the junk of the world pouring through your mind, creating distress, etc. Now listen to the revelation of sages and saints and turn all the forces of darkness, fool them.